that dinosaurs are coming back to life. Not in movies, not in fiction, but in the real world. And suddenly the question arises, if we have advanced science, powerful computers, and genetic engineering, then why haven't we already brought dinosaurs back? The idea sounds simple. Take dinosaur DNA, clone it, and let them walk the earth again. But the reality is far more complex and disturbing. Dinosaurs disappeared around 66 million years ago, and DNA is not immortal. It breaks down over time, slowly, silently, until nothing usable remains. Even in the best conditions, DNA can only survive for a few 100,000 years, not millions, which means dinosaur DNA is completely destroyed, erased by time itself. The mosquito, trapped in amber, that movies talk about sounds convincing, but scientists have repeatedly confirmed that no intact dinosaur DNA has ever been found inside amber, only fragments of insects and plants. Never a full genetic code, and without a complete genome, cloning is impossible. Even if we somehow recovered small pieces of dinosaur DNA, we would have no reference to know where each piece belongs, like trying to rebuild a book when 99% of the pages are missing. But the problems don't end there. Dinosaurs were not just DNA. They were living beings shaped by ancient ecosystems, climates, and environments that no longer exist. The oxygen levels were different. The plant life was different. The bacteria were different. Even the world itself was different. Bringing a dinosaur into today's world would be like dropping a deep-sea creature into the desert and expecting it to survive. Then comes the ethical question. Should we even try? Cloning an extinct animal would likely result in suffering, deformities, and failed experiments. We already see this in modern cloning attempts with animals that still exist today. Many cloned animals are born weak, sick, or die shortly after birth. Now imagine attempting this with a species that vanished millions of years ago. Even if a dinosaur somehow survived birth, what would it eat? Where would it live? And how would it behave? We don't truly understand dinosaur behavior, their social structures, or how they raised their young. And then there is the danger factor. Dinosaurs were apex predators, perfectly designed to dominate their world, not ours. Reintroducing such creatures could disrupt ecosystems in unpredictable ways, and some changes could be irreversible. Nature has already moved on. It has evolved new balances, new food chains, and new dominant species. Humans exist today largely because dinosaurs disappeared. Their extinction allowed mammals to rise, to adapt, and eventually to evolve into us. Bringing dinosaurs back could threaten not just animals, but humanity itself. Some scientists argue that instead of reviving dinosaurs, we should focus on protecting the species we still have, because extinction is permanent, and reversing it is not a solution. It is a distraction. The truth is, dinosaurs are gone not because science is weak, but because time is powerful. Some doors in nature close forever, and the extinction of dinosaurs is one of them. They survive today not in laboratories, but in fossils, in birds that evolved from them, and in the warning their story leaves behind. A reminder that even the most dominant creatures can vanish, and that once something is truly lost to time, no amount of technology can fully bring it back.